In this video, I want to go over how I earned $771.53. I didn't do anything in this program. This pays me up to 5% daily. Now, over here you can see I have a balance of $249 in this earning balance accounts, and commission balance is $21 only and 57 cents. I'm going to reinvest that $250 package for a 5% daily. Plus I get free banner ads, PTC plans, text ads, so I can build another business. Okay, so let me show you my earnings right here. Earnings history. As you can see here, I started on June 15. $750 I have put into the system. So far I have earned $553 plus another $100 and another $50. So $550, $650, $771. I've always reinvest my money. So now I'm earning $62.50 because I have 3, 4, 5 packages. I'm going to start as a $75 daily, and because I'm reinvesting my money, so I can come to my goal of $100, if you can see the different videos from before. But let's start in doing this. I'm gonna go to purchase, and as you can see here how many banner ads I will get, so I can market a different company. So that's $250. Pay now. Not gonna, yeah, that's right, that's why I have it over here. I'm gonna do this one. Pay now. Position filled. Earning history. As you can see here on the 29th. So on the 21st I purchased one. On the 25th. Now on the 29th. Now I'm gonna start earning $75 a day. So within 2.5-3 days I can reinvest, and then I'll start making close to $100 a day, and then I'll start taking out every second day $100 daily. Okay, now what I want to show you is something very exciting and new. So this is a brand new coin, okay, and it pays up to 2% daily. It's a bot, an Arbitrage bot. So the volatility, the Arbitrage, I mean, they have no ICO. There's really no ICO in this. There's really very highly risky, and it just getting to start. Maybe let's take a look at the news over here. If you go in here, news, so you can click on this button right here. It's going to take you on this drop down. Okay, so on the news, it started on the 28th, which is yesterday. You can get into this very soon. And now the first update is the 29th today. And we gotta remember one thing. There's no ICO on this. So basically everything in here is whatever people buy, and just put it into the bot, and it starts earning, you know, 1.5%, 2%, up to 2% daily. Okay. Now since there's only 10 million coins into this, over 100,000 distributed on the exchange to the first buyers. Okay, that's the pre-mined, and then the price could definitely go up, possibility. Now it's trading $1.17, and so if you go in here into the exchange, let me go into the exchange. As you can see here, it's trading. There's not too much buying and selling here. Basically you can see here it's maybe 3,000 for 3,164 for $1.17. Now this was much higher, was trading a much higher. Show how the chart works. Let's do again the chart. Over here you can see here, even you can see here 0.265, 265, 249, 249. So people bought this at $1.50, $1.60, $1.50, $1.60. Here at 85. 85 is 0.00035. Let's take a look. Maybe we can do this like this. 0.00035. So it is $2.06. So now, somebody's selling it for $1.17, and so a lot of people bought this. This price is right here. Okay. So I think that this is pretty new. Not too much videos on YouTube or Facebook or any place, and so we can get involved in this. Investment, you can see here, it looks like similar to another company, previous company. I'm not sure which one it was. Had the same layout. Dover coin. I'm not sure exactly which one it was. Anyway, you go into wallets. Sorry, and then if you don't see your wallet here, just refresh the page. F5 will refresh your page, and then you'll see an address you can put in, and then you can go into invest. I think so it is, and then you can invest whatever. So let's say you can. So if you put in $1,000, you can definitely earn. Not definitely, but it's everything is speculated here. $16 a day, which is weekly. $100, and then again you can always release your funds. I believe there's no lock-in your funds, and you can just sell it in the open market. Okay, but once this Skype's up, basically, people are gonna sell. People are gonna buy more into this coin, and then you have affiliation that you could refer this to other people. Thank you. The links are in the videos.